heartbeat, whatever you want to call it, for the family and income page. We're going to get right down to it so we can be efficient with our time. And today we're just going to show you a little bit more depth about this page in more detail. This top section, as a reminder, is for family members who are either dependents or contributors to the household income. So kids that are graduated, they're off and on their own. You don't need to put them in here, but maybe grandma or grandpa who are living with you or require your assistance, maybe they will go in here. Remember, dependents or contributors to the household income go in this top section. As far as the bottom section, this is mostly for income. And remember, this number here is your monthly gross income. That's the large number, the big number that you get every month. If you get an annual salary, $100,000, that would be $8,333 per month. That's what would go there, and then taxes and other stuff come out of that number. This number is for commissions, bonuses, additional money that you receive for this same job here. So that would be the total, $7,000 plus $1,000, $8,000 if that's what your salary and commissions and bonuses are. This number here, remember, that's money that is getting taken out of the dollars we've put in, or received rather, here and here for 401k, 403b, and retirement planning purposes. Money that you're pulling out of your paycheck and contributing to employer-sponsored plans every month, whereas this number right here is money that employers are putting in for you through matching, pension, other contributions they're making in addition to what they're paying you and that you're paying into your plan yourself. So employer contributions, ultimately that gives you a total income for this job. And let's not ignore this too. How many hours per week do you work or put into that job? When you include travel and all other requirements to get that job done, put in those hours there and how many weeks a year you work as well. If you get a 2-week vacation plus 5 vacation days, that would be 52 weeks minus 2 for a 2 weeks vacation, minus 5 more days or 1 more week perhaps. Put that number in here. That'll show you your actual hourly rate for everything you have to do, and that's going to come into play in future planning and solutions that we offer you. So don't ignore that. You can see your total income is added up here based on everyone's household income that's contributing. And this area here, this investment real estate net cash flow section, is going to be calculated based on what you put in here with regard to your investment real estate and personally owned businesses. And we'll get into that on the next form. But right now, just know that that's where this number is coming from, which will ultimately give you a total income, which includes your earned income plus investment income. And that's all you need to know for today. This is your second tutorial, again, for the family income page. Just a slightly deeper dive. Thanks for joining us, and hopefully this makes perfect sense to you at this point. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next tutorial. Take care.